Ayan, another request. Ayan, galing kay Ma'am Rosie Cabantac. Ayan, sabi niya, Neng, pa-request naman ako ng After All. Para kay Mr. Jimmy Meta ng Malaysia. Ayan. And birthday niya kasi bukas. Ngayon po yun. And kay Mr. Jimmy Meta ng Malaysia, happy 83rd birthday po sa inyo. Ayan. Meron pa isa. Neng, may pahabol, sabi niya. Pakibati na rin si Ma'am Alia Paraguas. Ayan. Nang La Union, La Union. Ayan. Kay Mama Alia Paraguas. Ayan, hello po. And happy birthday na rin po sa inyo. Ayan. Dalawa silang may birthday. Ayan, itong song na to para sa inyo po. And para sa inyo na lahat din na nanonood ngayon. Ayan.
Well, here we are again. I guess it must be fate. We tried it on our own, but deep inside we've known we'd back to set things straight. I'd still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreat, every journey always brings me back to you. After all the stop and start, we could coming back to these two hearts. Two angels, we've been rescued from before. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down on me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. When love is truly right, it lives from year to year. It changes as it goes, oh, and all the way it grows, but it never disappears. And after all the stop and start, it's coming back to this two hearts. Two angels, we've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down on me and you. Oh, I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. Always just beyond my touch, you know I needed you so much. After all, what else I'm living for? Oh, after all the stop and start, we come coming back to this two hearts.
Kabantak. Ayan. Once again po, happy 83rd birthday to Mr. Jimmy Meta and Ate Aliyah. Ayan. Thank you po.